New mobile home buyers, check out this awesome, affordable, modern house. Let's get started. Sorry for the shaking. From the hip, one shot, no edits. All right, here we go. So, this house is called the Kritzer, okay? It is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,700 square foot, double wide, made by Champion Homes. This is actually the Skyline series, the Skyline by Champion series, okay? And we'll look at some of the pictures and then we'll take a 3D tour. All right, so obviously this has the modern finishes. It has the, kind of like the new kind of sight lines, exposed beams. Just it looks very modern. And if this house was on brick, nobody would ask you, is this double wide? Look at this offset fireplace. And all right, let's just get to it here. Let's get to the 3D tour. All right, and I want to start with the overhead layout, like always. Okay, so your front door is on this side. This is your front door, and here's your living room. You have your kitchen and dining room area here. You have a little You have your walkway here. It's labeled a kitchen. This is actually like a tech space. It's like a space to do your work from home. Your kids do your homework. You have 2 bedrooms. You have your utility room and your bathroom. And then you have right here is a primary bedroom, easily fits a king. Primary bath, it's one of those glamour baths, and a closet. This closet's actually a pantry coming from the kitchen, and then that wet closet. All right, now let's look on the inside. All right, so here's your front door. So you're walking in the front door, okay? Here's what you see. You have your open space. You have your nice modern living room area, and you have this offset fireplace. It does come centered. I know some people cannot handle that. We can get that centered. You get these nice exposed beams, overhead vents, which is always nice. You have this little wine area here, a little wine area, maybe a little kids fridge for the snacks. I'm a tequila man myself. A little coffee bar area. Okay, breakfast table, dinette area. Double doors. Got to have double doors for the back porch. You have an awesome island area, nice big fridge. All right, huge pantry. Let me see if we can get there. Sometimes these are a little, yep, huge pantry. All right, now we're going to head over into the next area of the common space. Let me step back a little bit first. We're going to go here and look over. Okay, look, you have this is called a tech area. I've seen this wall get moved. You'll have to pay for it, but I've seen this wall get moved if you want just an open space. Okay, and then we're coming here. Tech space. Kids need a place to do some homework. Maybe you work from home while the kids are at school. You have a tech space. You can do your homework, take your Zoom calls, move the mouse around. You have your bathroom, guest bath here, 2 large bedrooms, okay? And then this space is a laundry space. Now I can't promise this, but I had a couple that the wife was a dog groomer, so we actually got rid of this and just put a little bucket there, like one of those shower pans, and she can actually work from home now. Now she's dog grooming from home. That's awesome. So those are kind of the cool things we can do. We'll say we're a little bit flexible than some of the other guys. Okay, now let's go to the primary. The primary is awesome. It is huge, open space. You can fit a king here. I've been in this house. It's awesome. All right, you have this awesome glamour bath, okay? Nice little retreat with the double vanity. Awesome huge shower. This does not do it justice. Same thing with the closet, giant closet, plenty of space. And then the wet closet here. The wet closet here, I love a wet closet. Why? Because the mornings are busy. You got to do your business. You got to brush your teeth. You got to brush your hair, okay? You need that wet closet so 2 people can get the day started. All right, so that is the Kritzer. This house is in the 180s, okay? In the 180s, you're probably looking at 215 when you add in the rest of it, which is the deliver set underpin, okay? So that is the Kritzer, beautiful modern house. If you want to work with us, we are in upstate South Carolina. Shoot me a text below. Look forward to working with you. I do home walkthroughs like this. I have videos every Monday and Thursday. Monday morning to start your week, Thursday evening to start your weekend, okay? Talk soon. My name is Jesus, and see you in the next one. Subscribe. Bye-bye.